Hi, civil contractors in Bangalore. I'm Subramani here. This is for individual property, residential property, duplex model house construction. We like to offer clients that site plus construction with a loan arrangements in Bangalore East with a complete setup, checking up your legal documents and loan arrangements for your property and loan arrangements since for the site loan will be a different, construction will be a different. How we do it, usually all the other constructor, they would do it in a after buying a property, constructing and selling their own price. So our company and my ideas and focus on not in that way. I wanted to make my property buyers should touch and feel condition in terms of constructions, what exactly it is going on, what is in terms of the steel use it, what is the cement they're using, what is a brick, what is the tile work, what is the painting, how is the grill work is happening. All the designs I wanted to like to give an opportunity to buyer when the construction started till that will be updated to the client. Before itself, we'll give you all the details. This is the materials we're going to be use it for your your dream house. That model which we wanted to bring it to you, which is extraordinary models which we wanted to give you as a duplex house. This duplex house construction area will cover about 2,300 square foot, which is including your staircase room. In the down ground floor, you get car parking and a small garden and the hall, kitchen, dining hall, all that, and one room. And the top, hall you get it in the down completely bigger hall, one toilet, open kitchen. Above that, you get three bedrooms, which is very spacious bedroom. That is the way we want it to be planned for a property buyer. Saying just it is a ready to occupy conditions houses, which sometimes what will happen if it is ready to conditions, you may not liked it the way they constructed. You may not liked it the way material which is used, tile selections what they used it, you maybe you are not liked it. So keeping all in the drawback, we researched in the proper manner. Within a 6 months, we will give you the delivery your dream house, how it need to be look out your houses, outlook, inside facilities, UPS, CCTV camera, all other facilities we like to give you under that budget. That is a challenging what we wanted to like to inform clients to. Please welcome and call us and any details. Even you have site already with you, you want to do only constructions, that is also we will take care completely. Structural elevations drawing, architecture's work, electrical drawings and plumbing drawings, all the drawings will be giving as a complimentary to the our own constructions client. So please contact us the below details which is we given you. We can talk about the more details. Thank you so much.